Now from child pose, come into tabletop. Hands right under your shoulders, fingers spread open, palms pressing down into the mat. Your knees, hip distance apart. Tuck your toes. Inhale, lift yourself up into downward dog. Push your hips back towards the ceiling. Make sure your shoulder blades are away from your ears. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling, core engaged. Gaze towards your toes. Now from here, we'll work on strengthen our arms. So with an exhalation, come down on your elbows. Keep your shoulders straight. With an inhalation, up into downward facing dog. We'll do a few rounds of this. Exhale, down to dolphin pose. On your elbows. Inhale, lift up to downward dog. Exhale, down to dolphin. Inhale to downward facing dog. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Again, if your heels don't touch the ground, it's okay to bend your knees. The idea is to lengthen your back. Exhale, down to dolphin. Keep your shoulders straight. Inhale to downward facing dog. Exhale, down to dolphin. Inhale to downward facing dog. Very good. Keep going. Exhale, down to dolphin. Bend your elbows. Make sure it's in line with your shoulders. Inhale to downward facing dog. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling. Exhale, down to dolphin. Inhale, lift up to downward facing dog. Exhale, down. Few more. We can do it. Inhale to downward facing dog. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Last one. Exhale, down. And we'll stay here for 5 breaths. Core engaged. Keep your shoulders straight for 5. You may bend your knees here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Downward facing dog for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your knees down. Sit on your heels into extended child pose. Forehead down to the mat. Catch your breath here, ground yourself. Slowly inhale, come up, sit on your heels. Now work on your shoulders here, just lifting it up in a circle. Releasing the tension from there. Rolling it back. Roll it the other way around, anti-clockwise. And now from here, bring your hands to the back, interlock your hands. Interlock your hands here. And keep lifting your hands up. Engaging your tricep here, keep lifting it up higher. Keep looking forward so you're not dropping your neck here. Neck active, in line with your spine. Keep pulling your arms up. Engage your tricep muscles here. Work on stretching those arms. Stay here. Slowly release. Now come back onto tabletop. Knees hip distance apart. Your hands right under your shoulders. We'll go into thread the needle. So bring your left hand into the center. Keeping your hands straight. With an inhalation, lift your right hand up towards the ceiling, chest lifted. With an exhalation, under your shoulders. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, in. Inhale, up. Exhale, in. Inhale, up. Exhale, in. Inhale, up. Exhale, in. Inhale, lift. Now with the next exhalation, bring your right shoulder down to the mat. Right side of your head on the mat. Once you have your balance here, and if you can, slowly lift your left hand towards the ceiling. You can have your hands resting on your lower back. Keep pulling your left shoulder and chest towards the ceiling. Work on stretching your shoulders here. Stay here. Slowly bring your left hand down to the mat. Lift yourself up back into tabletop. Now bring your right hand to the center. We'll do this on the other side as well. Inhale, lifting your left hand up towards the ceiling. Exhale under your shoulders. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, in. Inhale, up. Exhale, in. Inhale, up. Exhale, in. Inhale. And with the next exhalation, now bring your left shoulder down to the mat, left side of your head down to the mat. Once you have your balance here, and if you can, slowly lift your right hand up, pointing towards the ceiling, looking towards it. Have your right hand resting on your lower back. Keep pulling your right shoulder and chest, opening up, pointing towards the ceiling. Stay here. Slowly bring your right hand down to the mat, lifting yourself back into tabletop. Now from here, sit on your heels. Come up on your knees. Knees hip distance apart, hands to the side. Now you're going to engage your leg muscles here, very slow, gentle movement. With an inhalation, bring your hands up. Exhale, slowly bringing your hands down without sitting on your heels, engaging your leg muscles. Inhale, lift up again. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Engage your leg muscles. Inhale, lift up again. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, slow and steady without sitting on the heels. Engage your leg muscles. Lift yourself back up. Exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale. This time we'll twist to the right as we exhale. Exhale. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the right, twisting. Inhale back to the center. 3 more. Exhale down. Inhale to the center. Exhale down. Inhale, center. Switch to the other side. Exhale to the left, twist. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, keep engaging your legs here. Inhale, lift up. 3 more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And with the last exhalation down to the center. Exhaling, sit on your hips. Sit on your heels, knees together. Inhale, lifting your hands up. Now with an exhalation, bring your right hand onto your left knee. Twist from your waist, your torso. Left hand to the back, look over to the back. Keep opening your chest towards the back. Keep twisting from your waist. Inhale, back to the center, lifting up. Exhale, bring your left hand onto your right knee, right hand to the back, twist. Keep lifting your chest towards the back, opening up. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale again, switch and twist. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, bring your hands down to the side. Bring your forehead down to the mat into child pose.